Hey, yous there. It's me, Glitch. Glitch is brought to you by Computer Secrets, Confessions of a Computer Tech, the best computer help book ever written. The book's available in ebook or hard copy at Amazon, and I'm in it, so buy the book and don't be considered a dope or dopette. Hey, if you've got no sound on your computer, first check on the bottom right taskbar to make sure that the sound isn't muted or the volume's turned way low. Also check to make sure that your speakers are getting power and the volume knob is turned up halfway. Make sure some dope didn't unplug your speakers and plug them in the wrong port. If all that don't do it, check in the control panel device manager to make sure that your sound drivers are okay. If you've got any comments on this, post them. The best comment gets a semi-worn t-shirt from me. Remember, there's no dopey computers, only dopey users. Peace.